Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to Mathematics class, Chapter 8, Lecture 2. In this class, I'm going to discuss about Theorem 4, 5 and areas of quadrilateral. Theorem 4. Two diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Let ABCD be a rectangle and AC and BD its two diagonal. They intersect at O. It is required to prove that two diagonals of a rectangle are equal. That means AC is equal to BD and bisect each other. That means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to DO. Okay. Now proof. We know from the definition that a rectangle is also a parallelogram. Therefore, AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. Okay. Now between triangle ABD and triangle ACD and triangle ACD. AB is equal to DC because opposite side of the parallelogram are equal. AD common side and angle DAB is equal to angle ADC because each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, from side angle side theorem, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Therefore, we can say that BD is equal to AC. It's proved. Clear? Now theorem 5. Two diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. Let ABCD be a rhombus and AC and BD is two diagonal. They intersect at O. It is required to prove that two diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That means AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD, and at right angles. That means angle DOC, angle AOD, angle AOB, angle BOC is equal to one right angle. Clear? Okay. Now proof. A rhombus is also a parallelogram. Therefore, AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD from theorem 3. Okay. Now in triangle AOB and triangle BOC. AO is equal to OC, AO is equal to OC, BO common side, and AB is equal to BC because all sides of a rhombus are equal. Okay. Now from SSS theorem, that means side theorem, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle BOC. Therefore, this angle AOB is equal to this angle BOC. Okay. Look carefully. These two angles are equal and sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Two angles equal and sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. That means x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, each of them is equal to 90 degree. That means one right angle. Okay. These two angles equal and sum of these two is equal to two right angles. Therefore, each of them is one right angle. Clear? Similarly, we can prove that from triangle AOD and DOC that angle AOD is equal to angle DOC is equal to one right angle. Clear? It's proved. Now, area of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral region is divided into two triangular regions by one of its diagonal. So the area of quadrilateral region is equal to the sum of the area of the triangular regions. Okay. In our previous classes, we have learned how to find areas of square and rectangle regions. We have seen that rectangle and parallelogram with the same base and height have equal areas. Okay. Here, the method of finding the area of rhombus and trapezium have been discussed. Let's see the area of trapezium region. We know from the definition of trapezium, in a quadrilateral, if one pair of sides is parallel, then the quadrilateral is called trapezium. Okay. Here, ABCD is a trapezium whose AB parallel to DC. Let the side AB is equal to small a and the side DC is equal to small b. And AB parallel to DC, therefore, their perpendicular distance will be always equal. Let this distance be h. Okay. এখন যদি আমরা DC এর সমান করে এই কেটে নেই, DC এর সমান করে এই কেটে নেই এবং C জয়েন করি, তাহলে দেখো AECD একটা প্যারালেলোগ্রাম হয়ে গেল না? আমরা DC এর সমান করে A কেটেছিলাম, তাহলে A এর লেন্থ হলো B। ওকে। আর আমরা জানি প্যারালেলোগ্রামের এরিয়া হলো বেস ইনটু হাইট। ওকে। এখন এই ট্রাপিজিয়ামকে আমরা দুইটা পার্টে ভাগ করতে পারছি, একটা প্যারালেলোগ্রাম আর একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। ওকে। এখন যদি আমরা এই প্যারালেলোগ্রামের এরিয়া এবং এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এরিয়া যদি অ্যাড করি, তাহলে আমরা ট্রাপিজিয়ামের এরিয়াটা পেয়ে যাব। ওকে। তাহলে এই প্যারালেলোগ্রামের এরিয়া কি হলো বলতো? বেস ইনটু হাইট। বেস কত? বি, হাইট কত? এইচ। তাহলে বেস ইনটু হাইট এই প্যারালেলোগ্রামের এরিয়া পেলাম। ওকে। আর এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এরিয়া হলো হাফ ইনটু বেস ইনটু হাইট। এখন বেস কত এখানে বলতো? ইবির লেন্থ কত হবে? এবির লেন্থ হলো এ এবং এই লেন্থ হলো বি। তাহলে এ থেকে যদি আমরা বি বাদ দিই, তাহলে তো ইবি পাবো। দেখো তো এটা বুঝতে পারছো কিনা? এবির লেন্থ হলো এ আর এই লেন্থ হলো বি। এবি থেকে যদি এই বাদ দিই, তাহলে তো আমরা বি পাবো। তাহলে এ থেকে বি বাদ দিলে আমরা বি পাবো। তাহলে বেস পেয়ে গেলাম আমরা a মাইনাস বি। ওকে। আর হাইট তো সেম এইচ। তাহলে আমরা এরিয়া লিখতে পারি। তাহলে আমরা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এরিয়া পেলাম হাফ ইনটু বেস ইনটু হাইট। ওকে। Now taking h as a common, we get b plus half a minus half b. Now calculating this, we get half into a plus b into h. Okay, this is the area of the trapezium region. Okay, so you know how you can say that area of the trapezium is equal to average of two parallel sides, that means a plus b by 2 into height, or we can say that average of two parallel sides into distance between them. Okay. Now the area of rhombus. We learn from theorem 5 that two diagonals of a rhombus bisect perpendicularly. Let AC is equal to A and BD is equal to B. Therefore, AO is equal to half A and BO is equal to half B. Okay. এখন আমরা রম্বাসের এরিয়াকে এভাবে লিখতে পারি, area of the rhombus is equal to area of the triangle DAC, that means area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. If we add area of this two triangle, then we get area of the rhombus ABCD. Okay. Now in triangle BAC, if we take AC as base, then you get BO its height. Okay. Therefore, we know from area of the triangle that half into base into height, that means half into base, that means A, and height BO. BD is equal to B, therefore BO is equal to half B. So half into base into height, here height is half B. Okay. Again, in triangle DAC, if we take AC as base, then you get OD as height. Therefore, you can write half into base into height, half into A into height. Here height is half B. Okay. Therefore, we get 1 by 4 AB plus 1 by 4 AB. Now adding this 2, you get half AB. So, in what we can say that area of the rhombus is equal to half of 4 out of 2 diagonals. Okay. Clear? This is all for today. Thank you.